In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from Xbox. First, start by signing into your Microsoft account. You will need to use the device you prefer, whether it is a mobile device or a computer. Once you open your browser or app, look for the sign-in option. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring you have the right email and password. This step is crucial as it gives you access to your account settings. If you encounter any difficulty, double-check your information. You want to make sure you are logged into the correct account to avoid confusion later. Once you are signed in, navigate to the payment options. Depending on whether you are using a mobile device or a desktop, this may slightly differ in appearance. Look for a menu or settings icon, usually in the top corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Payment Options. This section is where all your payment methods are stored. It is important to get to this area to manage your payment settings effectively. You will be able to see all the payment methods linked to your account. Now find the payment method you want to remove. You will see a list of all your saved payment options. Take your time to identify the specific method you wish to delete. It could be a credit card, debit card, or other payment type. This is a key step because removing the wrong payment method can lead to missed payments for subscriptions you might still be using. Pay close attention and make sure you are selecting the correct one before proceeding. Next, select Remove. After identifying the payment method, look for the Remove button associated with it. This button may appear as a trash can icon or simply say Remove. Clicking this button is the action that initiates the removal process. It's a straightforward click, but it is an important one. You will see changes reflected immediately, but hold on for the next step to finalize the removal. After that, confirm by selecting Remove again. A confirmation prompt will usually appear asking if you are sure you want to remove this payment method. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Click Remove once more to finalize your decision. You should feel confident at this stage that the payment method is being removed from your account. This extra confirmation is important because it protects your account from unwanted changes. If you can't remove a payment method, it's likely being used for an active subscription such as Xbox Game Pass or Microsoft 365. In this case, you will need to change the subscription to a different payment method or turn off recurring billing before you can proceed. This is a common issue, so don't be surprised if you encounter it. Taking care of this first ensures that you do not face any interruptions with your subscriptions in the future. With that complete, you have successfully removed a payment method from your Xbox account. This process helps keep your account organized and ensures you are only using payment methods that you want. Thank you for following along, and I hope this makes managing your Xbox account easier for you.